we're gonna check out what this place looks like at night, see where we can go. Of course, I won't be doing anything crazy to kind of jeopardize where I can stay um, on Disney property. So I won't be doing anything going into any employee areas or anything stupid and crazy like that. But yeah, I don't even know what this area is, to be honest. China set that is just kind of open to the public. Kind of weird that they wouldn't have that in glass. It just seems like they're asking for some drunk person to come in here, start getting around and touch something. But everybody is sleeping as far as the guests are concerned. Of course, the shout out to my workers, the maintenance crew. I just saw someone